Over the last 2 weeks, we've covered the basics. You've seen what AI is and started to identify where it can make a real impact in your business. But now for the big question, what tools should you actually use? The internet is flooded with options, and it's easy to get overwhelmed. So let's keep it simple. You don't need 10 different tools. You just need the right one or two to get started. Today, we will show you the best-in-class tools you can deploy right now. First up, let's talk about general office productivity. Last week, you saw this in action when we used Microsoft Copilot to instantly summarize that long email. That's a perfect example of an AI assistant handling daily tasks like managing your inbox, writing proposals, or taking meeting notes. You also saw us use a tool to generate marketing content. For that, you can use Copilot or its main competitor, Google Gemini. Think of these as your new smart assistant, built to save you time. Let's compare costs. Microsoft Copilot from Microsoft 365 is approximately $45 per user monthly. Google Gemini for Workspace Business is about $30. Prices in AUD and vary by country and may change over time. Understanding these costs helps in making informed decisions for your business. Zapier, Make.com, and Microsoft Power Automate are powerful automation platforms that help small businesses streamline repetitive tasks and connect their favorite apps with no coding required. These tools act like digital glue, linking systems like Gmail, Microsoft 365, Xero, HubSpot, and Slack to automate workflows that would otherwise eat up hours each week. Zapier excels in ease of use and app integrations, perfect for marketing and sales automation. Make.com offers deeper control and complex logic for advanced users. Power Automate is ideal for businesses already using Microsoft tools, enabling seamless document handling, approvals, and AI-enhanced flows with Copilot integration. Explore free and paid plans for automation tools. Zapier offers free and paid plans starting at $30 monthly. Make.com provides cost-effective plans from $14. Power Automate's premium version is around $23 per user monthly. Choose the plan that best fits your needs. Revolutionize your sales process with AI-powered tools like HubSpot AI and Zoho CRM with Zia. These tools automate tasks, analyze data, and predict lead success. Accessing AI features often requires mid-tier plans. Personalize follow-ups to enhance efficiency and close deals effectively. Compare costs between HubSpot and Zoho. HubSpot's Sales Hub Professional is $125 per user monthly, offering extensive tools. Zoho CRM's Enterprise Plan is $75, including AI Assistant Zia. The cost difference impacts your choice of CRM solution, so choose wisely. AI for customer support involves a 4-step plan. First, identify customer needs to tailor AI solutions effectively. Choose the right tools that align with your goals or decide to implement your own AI bot. Then plan to integrate with existing systems. Finally, monitor and optimize to enhance efficiency and customer satisfaction. Step 1. Analyze. Review your support inbox to gather data on customer inquiries. Identify the top 5 questions to understand common concerns. Addressing these issues allows you to improve customer service and resolve frequent problems efficiently. Step 2. Activate. Review existing tools like Freshdesk, Intercom, or Zoho Desk. Many platforms have built-in AI features that can be easily activated. Before purchasing new tools, check if your current software can meet your needs with simple activation. Step 3. Train. Build a knowledge base by training the AI bot with top question answers. This enables the bot to handle initial queries efficiently, providing accurate responses. Training improves efficiency by managing repetitive queries without human intervention. Step 4. Test and deploy. Conduct internal team testing to identify and fix issues before deploying. Ensure a customer assistance button is available for immediate human interaction. The goal is to help customers and avoid frustrating loops that hinder their experience. This week's challenge: choose one AI tool from our discussion and apply it to a business task. Take action by implementing the tool in a practical scenario for immediate results. Consider using Microsoft Copilot for LinkedIn posts or Zapier for lead form automation. Good luck, and we would love to hear how your experience with that goes. Next week, we'll focus on data protection. We'll discuss strategies to safeguard personal information from unauthorized access. Our discussion will cover privacy laws and ethical data handling to ensure responsible use of information. Join us for this crucial topic. For AI consulting, visit cloudmadesimple.com/AI consulting. Contact us in Australia and New Zealand or the UK for support. Our team is ready to assist you in implementing AI solutions tailored to your business needs. Let's make AI work for you.